Oh, what a beautiful day. But wait, there is a sudden storm coming. What is going to happen with all these plants that cannot just escape this unfriendly environment? Let's take a look what is going to happen in their plant cells. Even though plants seem very static, there is a lot happening inside their plant cells. There is a burst of all kinds of signaling elements being released. These can function as signaling elements, telling us about the stress situation. For instance, changes in the reduction state can be noticed as nucleotides. Reactive oxygen species get released like hydrogen peroxide. And phytohormone metabolism is affected, including auxins. All these can impact basic metabolism or growth of a plant. Plants are more smart than you think. They don't just wait. They can recept changes in the environment and react to them. What if there is a sudden heat wave coming? Plants can close their stomata to not lose water. Or if there is frost coming, plants can slow down their metabolism to sustain these conditions. Or if there is wind coming, plants can strengthen their cell walls to not get damaged. Let's say what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Another important factor that impacts plant growth is their nutritional status. Among nutrients, nitrogen is the one that gets absorbed in the highest amounts. There is no doubt that nitrogen content guarantees plant growth. But how do plants know their nitrogen status or which form of nitrogen is present in the soil? Let's look at the two most common nitrogen sources, nitrate and ammonium. Nitrate is the oxidized form, while ammonium is the reduced form. So maybe this is the way how to distinguish between these forms. What if we had special GMO plants? These transgenic plants can be examined under the confocal microscope. The fluorescence of an indicator protein could give some information about all kinds of signaling elements. We can trace the fluorescence under this microscope and get some information about all kinds of plant molecules. All this is of interest to understand basic plant metabolism, but also to breed resistant plants and obtain high crop production. Knowledge is key to sustainable agriculture and a happy plant.